Welcome to a tutorial video on how to use tagging on the Building Passport platform. You can think of the tagging feature much like social media hashtags. The first step is going to be logging into the Building Passport, which I'm doing under my demo account, and then clicking into one of your Building Passports, which you can access either through the recently added area or going into your Building Passports list. So I'm going to take us into this demo Building Passport. Tagging is relevant to the files within a Building Passport, so we need to go to the Document section. We currently have no tags associated with this Building Passport, and it's worth noting that when you add tags, it affects only that Building Passport. So all your Building Passports can have a different set of tags associated to them. So currently all the files are organized in the standard folder structure, which you can see here. This folder structure will remain the same even when we have added tags to different files. Tags can be used for a variety of reasons. In this case, I'm going to create a tag to use to make the sale of a building easier. So step one, I'm going to click on Add New Tag and create a tag name which is called 2023 Sale. So by adding that tag, you will see this tag pop up underneath the File Tag section in the Documents area of the Building Passport. Now to add this to a file, you would simply click Manage and select the tag that you've got in your list. If I click Save there, it adds the tag to that file, and I can do that for multiple files, like this. So once we've added the tag to a couple of files, if I want to see all the files that are tagged with that tag, I simply click on that tag and it shows all the files associated with that particular tag. Now, if I wanted to manage the tags on a file from this view, I can very easily do that by once again clicking Manage. But because we've only got one tag associated with this Building Passport so far, I'm going to create a new one. And this is going to be called For Management to Review. I'm going to save that. Now you can see that we've added that tag to this file. So if I go back to our list of all documents within the Building Passport by clicking View All, we can start adding this tag to other files in the list. So now imagine I'm another user of the Building Passport. For example, I'm one of the management team who's been asked to review some files on the Building Passport. When I log into the Building Passport and go to the Documents section, I can simply click For Management to Review, and all the files that I need to review are shown here. If, for example, I've reviewed that file and I'm happy with it, I can add another tag saying Management Approved and click Save. If I want to remove the old tag, I can do that very easily by clicking the black cross, and then all the files that I've reviewed can be seen by clicking the appropriate tag. If, for example, I want to see multiple files that have been tagged with different things, I can select multiple tags at once, which will show all of those files with either one or other of those tags. One other point of note on the tagging feature is the fact that you can see when tags have been added and which user of the Building Passport has added that tag. So that has been a very quick introduction to the tagging feature. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video.